नमस्ते बच्चों, मैं JP Naishu Shukla, Department of Science and Technology, Faculty of Education and Methodologies. Today our topic is source acquisition. What is acquisition? So data acquisition system is divided into two parts, that is digitally and analog. So first, data acquisition system consider the following analog signals. Analog signals, what is analog signals? Analog signals which are obtained from the direct measurement of electrical quantities such as DC and AC, that is direct current and alternate current, voltages, that voltages, current, assistance, and etc. Okay, so analog signal which are obtained from transistors such as LVDT, thermocouple, and etc. So we discuss about data acquisition system. So data acquisition system can be classified into the following two types. First one is analog data acquisition system. Now, what is analog data acquisition system? That is the data acquisition system which can operate with analog signals, are known as analog data acquisition system. Following are the blocks of analog data acquisition system. First one is transistor, and what transistor does this? That is, it converts physical quantities into electrical signals. Now, second one is signal coordinator. That is, it performs the function like amplification and selection of desired portion of the signal. Now, third one is display device, and what display device does, that it displays the input signals for monitoring purpose. Now, fourth one is graphic recording instrument. And what is graphic recording instrument? These can be used to make the record to input data permanently. And the last one is magnetic tape instrumentation. It is used for acquiring, storing, and reproducing of input data. Now, second one is digital data acquisition system. And what is digital data acquisition system? The data acquisition system which can be operated with digital signal are known as digital data acquisition system. So they use digital components for storing and displaying the information. Mainly the following operation: it will take acquisition of analog signal, conversion of analog signal into digital signal or digital data. And the third one is processing of digital signal or digital data. Now here is also some blocks for that. First one is transducer, that is used for physical quantity into electrical signals, as we saw in analog current. Okay, now second one is signal coordinator, that is it performs the function like amplification and selection of desired portion of the signal. Next one is multiplexer. It connects one of the multiple input and output, multiple input to output, so it acts as parallel or serial converter. Next is analog to digital converter, that it converts analog signal to digital signal. Okay. Now third one, next one is display devices. It used to display data digital format. Next, last one is digital recorder. It is used to record the data in digital format. Now, data acquisition system are being used in various applications such as biomedical and aerospace. So we can choose either analog data acquisition or system or digital data acquisition system based on requirements. So that is the two type of source acquisition system in computer science. So if you have any query or any doubt in this section, then comment in comment box. Thank you so much.